For example 2, we're going to look at how the change in temperature affects the length of materials. And in this case, we're looking at a change in temperature from morning to evening on the San Francisco bridge, Golden Gate Bridge, with a temperature change from negative 15 Celsius to positive 40 Celsius. And if we look at the equation needed, we will find out that the change in length is the thermal expansion coefficient alpha times the original length times the change in temperature. And if we look up in the table, the coefficient thermal expansion for steel is 12. It's 12 times 10.6 per degree Celsius. So now if we plug in these values, we have 12 times 10 to the minus 6 per degree Celsius. The length of the bridge is 1,275 meters. And then the change in temperature is the final temperature minus the original temperature. And if we do that, we will notice that we get about 0.48 meters, which is the same as 48 centimeters. And this might not be a big change relative to the 1275 meters, but still, that's why when you go on bridges, you hear that thumping in the tire every once in a while. That's because those pieces of steel that they put in the gaps is to allow for the expansion and the contraction of the length based on the temperature changes. Alright, we will move on to number 3.